Hey there guys, today I want to speak about how to earn some extra income, or let's say just something on the side. Well, usually maybe you're staying on the laptop or on the phone. Why not to turn this, let's say, time on a little bit of a profit? If you're like me and always like staying on the phone when you have the time or spending lots of time on your computer, you can try and visit by Coworkers. I think it's a pretty trusted, it's a trusted website, and you can earn some money on site for completing some small tasks. This is not like a paid video or something like this. I just been stumbling across this one, and because we are so many around now, almost like 2,000 subscribers, I thought, hmm, anyway, I'm just doing the giveaways. Why not showing to the people a way to earn some extra money on the side? Okay, now I'm going to try and explain you a little bit how this website is working and what you have to do just to earn a little bit of extra money. First of all, I think if you need to withdraw the money, you'll need a PayPal account. Obviously, just to withdraw them here, they have other withdraw options. You can just check them on the settings. Okay, the main idea, you just have to register and complete some small tasks for some people. Usually they're like, let's say, complete an offer. So you're just going over here. You'll just have to go to link, free download something. Well, I was trying to stay quite far away from this. I think it's quite alright to do such stuff, but I've been trying like for 2 minutes and I've been already earning like $0.3 and I have one pending like 0.45. I've been seeing from other people as well, if you are doing this like from like let's say 4 to 5 hours, you will be able to earn something between like $5 to $6. I know it's not a lot, but if you're on your free time at home, you can just, some of them you'll see that you can just play a video on the background and then just show some proof to the people which are paying to do such stuff, and you will earn a little bit of something. In addition to this, you have like paid service. I didn't try any of these, but I think it's quite cool. When I will have the time, I will try like to deep dive into these and see how much I can really earn. I've been checking because they have a ranking, but I cannot find it at the moment on the website. People were earning like $4,000, 5,000 in the span of like 2 to 3 years. I know it's not a lot, but it's something, and especially I don't know, depending of the country where are you from, like even if you earn like $5 to $6 per day, and if you are doing other stuff, I think it's amazing. Just think that you can buy, I don't know, like 2 3 packs of Gods Chain and play from this money. Well, I'm joking, but you know, they also have some offers. Okay, they're covering like more stuff around here, which is like really cool. But the main thing is with the micro jobs, you can take like many jobs. For example, Gmail, create an account. All of the things will be told here. Then you'll just have to put the proofs like they are asking in here, submit it, and then if the person is happy, they will approve you, you are going to get your money. Okay, this, let's say it's just my new side hustle. Oh, another cool thing, when you submitting and one task is successful, you're going to get like a satisfied task, which is reducing your time for 10 seconds. Then you can, let's say, spam more tasks. So by this, you just can imagine you can do lots of tasks at a time. So as you can see in here, like 0.75 with 0.2, almost $1. If you're just going down here, and if you have the time, and if you want to do this, you can earn like quite good amount of money. Again, I guess with some of them, just be careful. I don't really like with these things which they're putting you to KYC. I don't like this kind of stuff, but other than that, I've been trying like to sign up or I don't know, subscribe or watch something, and they're working fairly good, I would say about that. Over here we also have a Referral Friend option. This one is my link. I'm going to put it down in my video down below. And if you want to just try it, you can just click it. As you can see, you get paid for each deposit or task 5% if you want it. If not, you can just give it a try. Or what you can do as well, you can share with your friends. If you have many friends, I guess you and your friends can earn a little bit of an extra income. What else? Oh, I also have my worker status. As you can see, I've been only doing like 4 tasks. Just one of the, let's say, employer was satisfied. The other 3 tasks, they are like under review, and probably I will get the other money as well. You also have, I think there are 3 levels. You are level 0, which is starter, level 1, which is medium. These one are the tasks which you could take. So the harder the job, the more you'll get as well, but you'll have to do like different tasks, different things as well. As you can see here, if you have like task rated not satisfied, they will also downgrade you, or if you are inactive and everything. As you can see, I got like 30 points for the satisfied work. Here I have the temporary success rate, and I've been doing some things on the video marketing. I've just been watching some videos for 3 or 4 minutes, and there you go, I've been earning a little bit. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. You can give it a try, and then you can let me know how much you've earned, or if you've earned something. Okay guys, this was just, I don't know, a little bit of a share with you. Hopefully you will have something for, let's call it like some side money. This kind of money, they're good like for, again, for extra expenses, for, I don't know, games and stuff like this, not to enter into your pocket money. Obviously if you have the free time to do so. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this. Until next time, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.